does shifting quite a bit up there. Did you put LEDs on the bottom too?
Yeah, there's flashers on the bottom.
He did it righteous.
Normal mode.
Hey B, what is it? What do you need? Go away. Huh? Yeah. Old. It's the old 4092.
I got a setup that I need to put in my F-18. That's why I didn't bring it.
I have two setups right now that I have to do. One for this and the F-18. But I haven't.
100 kV, 80 millimeter.
Oh, okay.
3660.
Yeah.
Timer cleared.
Ooh, look up above. Nice.
Sun's
All right,
coming out.
Here we go.
Ah, I see it, Ricky. That is pretty.
Gear up.
Whoa.
Okay.
What's that?
The wind's weird a little bit up there. I felt like my MiG was turning in ways I didn't expect it to.
I haven't flown this in a long time. I flew it once, but I didn't really get a good flight. There we go. Now it feels good.
You have yours, Ricky, right?
He flew it the last time I was here.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
No risk, no reward. That's how it works.
No, man.
You know?
I just have that luck, bro.
Yeah, that thing does sound mean. It's got an echo about it.
Yeah. This is that one that I used to have in the F-15
Oh.
a long time ago.
Got some power.
It's got punch. It's got punch. You know, the thing I like... Oh, sun, go!
It'll come back.
The thing that I like about this, I was running up the... It sounds very jet-like.
It does.
Because the two engines... I sold the 14 blade.
Is it 14 or 12? I thought it was 12.
Time remaining 1 minute.
What? You sure?
Nah.
It's 12. It's 12. It's 12. It's the same 12 that used to be in the F-16. It's 12. It's not 14. It's 12. No.
30 seconds.
Whatever it is, it must be good.
I saw Nathaniel's T-33.
They flew good.
There was no question about it. That plane, as soon as I saw it, I was like,
10,
this thing is
9,
gonna be one of the
8,
best. It's gonna be one of the best trainers out there.
Yeah, I agree.
It's straight wing, thick,
1.
very
Time
light,
expired.
simple. I was just like, yeah, there's no way this thing's not gonna fly well. Sometimes I think that that's probably why they did it.
Yeah. I haven't flown it enough. And now I fly it, I'm like, oh God, I love it. I agree. I think The Blue Angel flies amazing. I think my favorite flying F-18 at the moment is the E-Flight.
Yeah, I have to say that. Every time I look at that plane, I want to bring it out. I have to say to myself, you just flew that one.
Right.
Fly something else.
I brought mine because I love it.
I was this close to bringing mine, but I was like, no, I'll never fly the other shit.
Yeah. That was a good flight. I have a new motor. I have a new setup.
Right there.
Right.